Hi, welcome to Sage100reports.com. This is Jim Shuett, and I'm glad to be able to show you in just a few moments the cash flow report by year, period, and job. It's a new report that I've just created, and I think you'll like it a lot. All right, let's get started. Many company leaders use cash flow type reports to keep track of finances each day, the week, or month, or even the year. Uh, as an interesting note, when 10 clients ask me for a cash flow report, it seems I get requests for 10 totally different reports. Often I am quite surprised with some of them being quite good, and so I appreciate the input that I get from clients. Now, this cash flow report provides the AR invoices by year, period, and job selected by your criteria that you select. It also provides the dollar total of AP invoices received during that same year, period, and job, and shows the difference between the AR and AP during the period and job. So you'll see the total difference in selected time periods. Now, this report only shows AR invoices versus AP invoices received, not payments. Now we're going to take a quick look at the selection criteria options. This particular report, the cash flow report by year, period, and job, can be used in many different ways. Here's three examples. In selecting the criteria, to get the whole job, you just enter in the job number and nothing else like the period or anything. And that will get you the sample that is in the next slide. And so you'll be able to see that. Uh, if you want to go to number 2 here and get just the period range, you just enter in the periods with no jobs, and the report will generate all jobs within that period range and give you that data. Or if you want to do a job in just one period, let's look at number 3, you enter in the job and the period that you want, and you'll get the data for just the one job in that one period. So there's many different options for this very versatile cash flow report. Now here's an example, sample 1 of 3 that I'll show, showing the whole job output when printing the report. And so you'll see you've got the year and then the periods for that job where there is activity. And in this case, periods 4, 5, and 6. And there's a listing of each invoice. And in the yellow highlighted area, it's not yellow highlighted on the actual report, but just for demo here, it shows the AP invoice total for that period. And then in the last column, you have the difference between the AR invoices and the AP invoice dollar amount. So that gives you a cash flow based on invoices, AR invoices, and AP invoice totals. And so that gives you this whole report, including the totals at the bottom. Now on this page, we show sample number 2 of 3. This is the report by period with all jobs. And what we've done is in the selection criteria, we've given it a range of periods. And so what this is showing for period 5 in this year, 2021, in the sample report, in the sample data, it's showing 3 jobs, job 186, 201, and 207, with the invoices from those periods, and then also the AP invoice total for each period. And as in sample 1, the last column shows the difference and the total at the bottom. So this is a great report for looking at your cash flow based on invoices. Now we're showing sample 3 of 3. This shows the real versatility of this report. It is going to show, in this case, quarter 2, multi-period all jobs. And so in your selection criteria, you would just enter in the range of periods. And the report will show, as it shows here, the year, and then each period in that quarter, in this case 4, 5, and 6, and each job with the AP invoice dollar total and the difference between the AR invoices and the AP invoice total, so that each job has its total for that period, and then you have a total for the whole period, and then it goes on to the next period showing the jobs there, and in the final period there with the totals at the bottom. A great report. I hope you will enjoy using it. Thank you so much. Hi, again, this is Jim Schuett, and this is Sage 100 Reports, and we've concluded the video showing you the cash flow report by year, period, and job. To see more about this, you can go to our website, sage100reports.com. On the About Us page, if you go there, you can scroll down and see these samples again, and have the option to scroll down and click Go to Store to purchase or see more. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope I haven't taken too much of your time, but I sure hope that you purchase the report and enjoy it going forward in your company. Thank you.